What's up, guys? We're back here on the channel. Today we're going to be doing the Reklez Battery relocation along with the windshield washer or the coolant tank, fuse box, all that other stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and start up on the front with the battery box. So basically these are the brackets that came supplied from the Reklez kit, and a little something like that. And then the battery box will mount in here now to give us back that space in the engine bay that we need, because we'll be doing big tubs. So I'm going to start by getting these bolts out, then I'll go ahead and clean all this up and give you a little idea. Something like that. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this, cleaning it all up and getting it prepped so we can weld. And yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, so quick explanation on what I did here. So I measured from the horns to the center. The measurement was like 25.5. So 12 3/4 puts you on the center. Then what I did was I took a measurement of where the very edge of this weld is. I measured that across, and that came out to 10 inches. So basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna weld these tabs right here to the very edge of the weld, and that way I have that measurement now, which was 10 inches. So from the center I went 5 inches, 5 inches. So now when I tack these to this, I'll know exactly that they need to go here. And then when I put this on, I'll weld this to this plate, and then we'll put it up here, get it zeroed out with the angle finder, and then I can go ahead and weld it all up to the cross member in the front here. So that's an explanation of what I did. I'll go ahead and put you guys back on time lapse and get to going with it. All right, so here it is installed. Got a couple of nice welds on it, some healthy, thick boys. So I'll go ahead and let it cool down, and then I'll hit all this area off with a little bit of touch-up paint, get this thing sprayed black because it's just raw steel right now. And then once we get the battery, we can install the battery there, and then yeah, we'll start working on the other stuff now. I need to get these fenders off because we've got new fenders for it. We've got hood struts going in, battery box relocation, tubs. So still a lot more to go, but stay tuned. I'll get this stuff done.